let's discuss structure of Graafian follicle. Actually, Graafian follicles are present inside the ovary. Graafian follicle is a spheroid structure that is present in the cortex of ovary. It is a spheroid structure. Graafian follicle is a spheroid structure which is surrounded by theca externa. It is surrounded by theca externa then theca interna under theca externa. Theca interna is present. Under theca interna, basement membrane. Here is the basement membrane. The oocyte, and oocyte is surrounded by follicular cell. Here, follicular cells. Oocyte surrounded by follicular cell. These are also follicular cells or granulosa cells. Granulosa cells or follicular cells. Many folds of granulosa cells or follicular cells cover the antrum or follicular cavity. This is the antrum or follicular cavity. This is theca externa, outermost layer. Under theca externa, theca interna. Theca interna. After theca interna, this is the basement membrane. Basement membrane. This is the follicular cells or granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. This is the antrum or follicular cavity. Antrum or follicular cavity, which is filled with liquor folliculi. Liquor folliculi. Antrum or follicular cavity is filled with liquor folliculi, which is a fluid. This is the oocyte. Oocyte, and this is the nucleus of the oocyte. The nucleus. Oocyte is covered by granulosa cells, specially called as cumulus oophorecus. Actually, directly oocyte is covered by granulosa cells or follicular cells called as cumulus oophorecus or discus proligerus. Cumulus oophorecus is also called as discus proligerus. Discus proligerus. So granulosa cells or follicular cells secrete estrogen hormone. Estrogen is the chief sex hormone. Estrogen is the chief sex hormone which is secreted by granulosa cells or follicular cells. Estrogen are of four types: E1, E2, E3 and E4. E1 estrone, E2 estradiol, E3 estriol and E4 estetrone. estratrone. Again, estrogen are of 4 types: E1 by estrone, E2 or estradiol, E3 estriol, E4 estatrone. Among all the estrogen, E2 is the most potent form of estrogen, that is estradiol. So estradiol is responsible for the development of a secondary sexual character in female. What are the other roles of estrogen? Let's discuss what are the other roles of estrogen. Role of estrogen: first, estrogen maintains secondary sexual character. Estrogen maintains secondary sexual character. Secondary sexual character means high-pitched voice, breast growth, development of vagina, development of vulva, pubic hair, etc. Second function, estrogen develops libido. Libido means sexual desire. Sexual desire for the opposite partner. This is libido. Without libido, a female has no wish for the sexual intercourse. Third function is estrogen has a major role in bone formation. Estrogen has a major role in bone formation. Fourth function, estrogen increases lubrication in vagina. Estrogen increases lubrication in vagina. Fifth function, estrogen regulates menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle in female. Menses. Estrogen regulates menses or menstrual cycle in female. Estrogen has a chief role in the growth of breast, So estrogen has a chief role in the growth of breast. In non-humans, estrogen increase lordosis behavior, sexual behavior, lordosis behavior. Structure of an ovum. This is the structure of an ovum.